Morse. People believe exhaustion appears suddenly, but research suggests the body often sends signals weeks before deep fatigue sets in. These signals are usually subtle, easy to ignore, and often mistaken for normal daily stress. Studies show that long before someone feels completely drained, the body begins adjusting its systems in quiet ways to compensate for overload. Understanding these early signs can help explain how the body communicates imbalance long before collapse happens. One of the earliest signals researchers often associate with approaching exhaustion is a persistent feeling of mental fog. Many experts agree this is not simply distraction. Research shows that when the brain is under prolonged stress or insufficient recovery, cognitive efficiency may decrease. This can appear as difficulty concentrating, slower reaction times, or trouble recalling simple information. The brain may be conserving energy, prioritizing essential functions, while reducing performance in non-critical tasks. Another silent signal involves changes in sleep patterns. Studies suggest that exhaustion does not always cause immediate insomnia. Instead, the body may begin altering sleep quality before duration changes. People may sleep the same number of hours but wake up feeling unrefreshed. Research shows this can be linked to disruptions in deep sleep stages, where physical and neurological recovery normally occurs. The body may be signaling that recovery processes are no longer keeping up with daily demands. Subtle changes in mood are also commonly reported in research related to early exhaustion. Many experts agree that irritability, emotional numbness, or reduced motivation can appear before physical fatigue becomes obvious. These changes are not necessarily emotional reactions, but may reflect biochemical shifts related to prolonged stress exposure. The nervous system may remain in a heightened alert state, making relaxation more difficult even during rest periods. Divadi. The body may also communicate exhaustion through changes in appetite. Studies suggest that some individuals experience increased cravings for quick energy sources, while others notice reduced hunger altogether. Research shows this may relate to how stress hormones interact with hunger-regulating signals. These shifts are often inconsistent, making them easy to overlook, but they may reflect the body's attempt to manage fluctuating energy availability. Another commonly overlooked signal involves muscle tension and unexplained physical discomfort. Research shows that prolonged mental or emotional strain can increase baseline muscle activation even without physical exertion. This may appear as stiffness in the neck, shoulders, or jaw, often without clear cause. Many experts agree that this tension reflects the body remaining in a semi-alert state for extended periods, reducing opportunities for full muscular relaxation. Digestive changes are also frequently mentioned in studies examining early exhaustion. 2. The gut is highly sensitive to stress signals from the nervous system. Research suggests that prolonged imbalance may slow digestion, speed it up, or make it less predictable. These changes may occur without pain, making them easy to dismiss, but they often indicate that the body is reallocating resources away from digestion towards stress management. Energy fluctuations throughout the day can also signal approaching exhaustion. Studies show that instead of consistent fatigue, people may experience sharp drops in energy at unusual times. This pattern may reflect disruptions in circadian rhythms and stress hormone regulation. SPETS. Many experts agree that when energy availability becomes inconsistent, it often signals that recovery is no longer matching output. Even the immune system may show subtle responses. Research suggests that frequent minor illnesses or slower recovery from common discomforts can appear before noticeable exhaustion. The body may temporarily deprioritize immune efficiency to conserve energy for immediate demands. These changes are often mild but repetitive, forming patterns that become clearer over time. Importantly, research emphasizes that these signals rarely appear alone. Experts note that exhaustion tends to develop as a combination of small changes across multiple systems, rather than one dramatic symptom. The body communicates through patterns, not alarms. Because these signals develop gradually, they often blend into daily life and remain unnoticed until fatigue becomes overwhelming. Understanding these silent signals does not involve diagnosing or predicting outcomes. Instead, studies suggest that awareness of how the body subtly responds to prolonged stress and limited recovery can help explain why exhaustion rarely arrives without warning. Third, body often speaks quietly first, adjusting long before it reaches its limits, using signals that are easy to miss unless attention is paid to the bigger picture.